Hey everybody, my name is Nicholas Daniels and I am Program Development Coordinator with Oxford Education and Oxford International Education Group. And I'm speaking to you from London right now, and I'm speaking to the students of Hilali Targa International School in Marrakesh, Morocco. Now you might be wondering why I'm sending you this video from outside. Well, I just wanted to show you the kind of opportunities that you can unlock when you actually make sure you have the right qualifications and certifications with you. So I'm specifically referring to the Oxford Tutorial College Certificate, which is one of the leading certifications in Europe based on the Common European Framework for Language. And it is a certificate that is going to unlock opportunities for you in the future to travel to other countries such as England and to study at university and to keep on growing your options, whatever your dreams might be. So it doesn't matter what career you're interested in the future, having the Oxford Tutorial College Certificate is going to help you reach your goals and help you make those dreams a reality.